Hey man, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, and welcome back to another video. So today's video has been a long awaited video, man. Like, this really could have been my first video, but I wanted to hold off on it for the reason that I wanted to, make a few other videos before, I get this one rolling. But today's video is going to be a men's curly hair tutorial, but it's not going to be like any one of those that y'all seen on YouTube. I'm talking about those videos they're going to have you spending $30, $40, $50 on some Cantu shea butter products just for it not to work and your hair to be looking white covered in products. And I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Today's video is going to be something that's really going to work for you, and I guarantee y'all, if y'all watch this whole entire video and you follow these steps, you're going to get yourself right. Your hair gonna be curly. As you can see right now, my hair kind of rough. My God. Like, it's looking pretty rough right now. All right, I'm basically gonna be showing you guys, having you guys see all the steps that I use. I mean, it's about time I made this video because whenever I was in high school, if y'all did not know, I'm about to be a sophomore. People have been asking me what I've been using in my hair since my sophomore year. People done asked me if I use Jerry curl, S curl, twist outs, braid outs, perms, and anything you could think of. They probably went ahead and asked me. I remember females back in high school was telling me my hair was fake. Girl, we both know if we both go in water, my hair coming out the same, but for you, oh my God. Ain't no shade though, no shade though. But yeah, and this video is pretty simple. Like, there's literally 3 steps to this. And something I need to tell y'all, it's not about the product that you use, okay? It doesn't matter what product that you use. I'm gonna put my preferred products down below in the link so you guys go ahead and buy it. But it's mainly about the technique. It's about how you apply the product. And that's what a lot of people don't tell you when they're making these curly hair videos. They really have you thinking that if you buy these products, it's automatically gonna lead to curly hair, but that's not true, man. And I'm telling you guys, I've tried. Every single video, every single curling video, every single type of technique, I've tried. So I'm telling you guys, my steps, y'all, it's gonna take y'all for a turn because y'all wanna be like, really? But yes, really. Well, let's get this video rolling, man. I ain't finna waste no more time. Let's get this going. Alright, so before I have any one of y'all saying, oh, I got naturally curly hair, look, what I'm finna do, I got my spray bottle and I got my pick. What I'm about to do, I'm gonna pick out my hair and I'm gonna literally get my hair in like the roughest state so I can show you guys that this really works, okay?
You know what you did, Shay?
Oh! Oh my God!
I had to make the little switcheroo. I'm gonna let y'all see my hair right now. So that's the full little scope of my hair. So right now, no one can say, oh, your hair was curly, whatever. That's how a lot of people's hair is looking. A lot of people wear their hair in the fro. And now it's time to really put this to work. Time to reveal the products that I'm using, okay? And look, I know, y'all finna be like, huh? You using these? But look, man, I would not show these products if I did not think they worked. Matter of fact, like, I wouldn't even make this video with these products if they didn't have results. I've been using these products the past 4 years. You know what I'm saying? Basically more than that, like half of my life, so close to 9 years, so it works. So the first step of all this, okay, is your products. Things that you're gonna need. First, you're gonna need little spray bottle. Now time for your conditioner and your shampoo. Y'all see this? That's right. We're using Pantene. Alright. The shampoo is not too important because we're not going to be using this in the video. That's just for you to enhance your curls even more. But the main product, this is your bread and butter. I put that on my life, man. This is your bread and butter. If you want curly hair, you have to go and purchase this product, okay? That's right. Pantene Curl, what did you say? It's Curl Perfection Conditioner. And I'm telling you, this will get you right. Now for the second step, which is really the most important step, okay? Is the technique that you use when you apply the product. Because whether you choose to go with any one of these two, or if you choose to go with the shea butter products or Cantu, it really doesn't matter too much. What mainly matters is how you apply the product. And no video on YouTube is going to show you how to apply it correctly, because most of the people that make these videos, they already have naturally curly hair. I see a lot of mixed guys that already have curly hair. They make this type of video and it's like, man, like, yo, curls I can't get, but I still want to get some type of curls. I'm about to show y'all, alright? Y'all take a good look at y'all hands. You know what I'm saying? You got two hands? Alright, perfect. Now crunch it. You see that? You see that? Like, it's like you grabbing something, you feel me? Like a bear or something, like, aha. Alright. Forget that. Just like you grabbing something, okay? And now go, move your hand in like a clockwise motion. See that? You got two hands, right? You're gonna do that on the front, and you're gonna do it in the back. The same clockwise motion, okay? That's basically what you need to do. And I know what you're thinking, huh? Because a lot of people that you see on YouTube when they apply the product, they're flicking their hair front and back. Like, what is that doing? That's not doing anything. You're not using the product to activate your curls. So, I'm telling you, just grab your hands like you're grabbing anything. It's like you're grabbing some and just go like this. Go straight like that. That's literally all you gotta do. But that second step, I'm telling you, if you don't believe me, then watch. Quick little thing, remember, we only need this product right here, okay? This is the product that we will be applying. This is for continuous growth and maintenance of curls, like of your curls. Alright, y'all, so for the next step, what you're gonna need to do is pretty simple. I usually do this step while I'm in the shower. So after I apply it, that's the first thing that I do. Then I'll go ahead and rinse off my body, and then come at the end of my shower, I usually rinse off my hair. And whenever you rinse off your hair, do the same motion. The same motion when you rinse it off. So approximately, if you're not trying to get in the shower and do all that, wait about 5 minutes after you go and apply the product, and then go ahead and rinse it out. So this part I'm not really gonna show y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rinse out my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys after basically how the curls are looking, how they form. Y'all remember, I picked out my hair fully. We're gonna see what it looks like. guys, so this is the finished product. Let you guys kind of see. You guys, so now you guys see what my hair is looking like. And I know the question that y'all have. Y'all want to know what my hair is gonna look like when it's dry, and how do I go and reduce shrinkage? Okay. However, for that part, if y'all want part 2 of this video, I'm gonna need y'all to smash 50 likes. As soon as y'all hit 50 likes, I'm gonna drop part 2. Not only will I be giving away the secrets on how I reduce my shrinkage, I'm also gonna let y'all know, like, do my hair still be having a drip when it's dry? And trust me, it does. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all go ahead and smash up the like button. Like I said, we need 50 likes. We get 50 likes, I'm gonna drop the part 2. But anyways, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're close to 200, road to 200. Let's go ahead and let's get it. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. I got AK with the scores and 9.